Look at that under the grass! What's that? Is that a gun?
Does this gun activate green and light? Fireworks?
Let me give it a try. No, wait. Okay. Alright, you guys, watch this. The count until 3, 2, 1, here it comes.
Whoa, did you see that? One of those green lights fireworks are there.
Wow, it's not how Raya Fireworks? Yeah, they're colored green and yellow. Wow, that looks so amazing. Can we enjoy seeing this? Yes, we can.
Oh, boys, this is gonna be very cool.
Wow, it looks so amazing. Now we can enjoy having fun with this.